Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1974 Mgb Roadster. Final year for the chrome bumpered B Roadster. Finished in Glacier white with autumn leaf interior, black top and tonneau cover, dark brown cloth soft top, 4-speed, chrome wire wheels, 97,500 miles, and really nice little restoration here. We purchased this car recently from a very caring couple, and they had this car and used it in club events, but they did a lovely little restoration on it. You know, really good paint. There are a couple little paint spots I'll point out, but overall, you know, excellent crisp Glacier white paint work, brand new interior, very, very good mechanicals. We're gonna take it for a test drive shortly and be posting that driving video. But as you can see here, excellent, all the chrome's been renewed, very good paint. There's a little like little pickup or rashing here, a little chip. And then also along the other side as well, a little faint, you know, bleed through there of primer or something. And then there's a little chip on the trunk here that can be touched up. But you know, all that stuff can be just lightly repaired with a painter, and the rest of the car is just really, really nice. So, but like I said, all the chrome work's new. Brand new replaced windshield with new rubber gasket. All this stuff down here is real nice and soft, but excellent newer windshield. OEM style stainless door mirrors, which are great. Set of chrome wire wheels, real expensive option on these cars. These wheels are about $375 a pop, and this car has 4 of them. I'll check the spare, that may be a 5th one in there. But really good quality Vredestein radials, really lovely set of tires. This is how I can tell it came from a really good home, is, you know, they're fitting just top quality wheels and tires. They don't really care about expense. They just want their car to handle and drive and ride real nice. So yeah, really good body, great chrome, good paint, very good paint. Let's take a look at this fabulous interior. So interior wise, brand new OEM seat kits in autumn leaf with perfect matching door panels as well. Nice tan carpet set to match. Modellita, you know, wood alloy style steering wheel. Dashboard's excellent. All the gauges look great. 97,425 miles. Walnut shift knob. New sun visors. Brand new top boot. So, you know, really lovely condition, fully restored interior here. Let's take a look at the trunk. You'll be equally impressed. So what they've done here is they have completely carpeted the trunk. It's got the original top, the tonneau cover, which is like perfect. There it is, a painted spare. So 4 chrome wire wheels, 1 painted. That's the original jack there, or the style jack. They've even insulated the back of the trunk lid here so they can just have a nice quiet ride down the road. They probably insulated all the interior. So really good trunk fit. Like I said, all that chrome work is brand new. The undercarriage on this car is really, really solid, really no issues going on underneath. Once again, a nice picture of that dashboard. Let's take a look at the car's engine compartment. So under here, we can see it's all nicely painted body color. There's all the correct decals and stickers from new. Really clean engine bay. Aluminum valve cover. It's got these special high performance air cleaners, but you know, all the heater, all that's been detailed nicely. We can see new master cylinders for the hydraulics. Radiator looks in great shape. So as we can see here, really nicely detailed engine compartment. Once again, they've added that sound deadening to the back of the hood there. This is the original aluminum hood. It's in great shape. And there it is. If you're looking for a lovely, crisp, bright, clean, white Mgb Roadster for the season with wire wheels, chrome wire wheels, here it is. Autumn leaf trim, dark brown cloth soft top, black tonneau and top boot, 4-speed with that really attractive set of chrome wire wheels. We're going to be posting a driving video of this car shortly, probably early next week, and it's for sale on our website, just in time for the spring-summer driving season. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.